brutally honest review ng Kemans Ultimate White Radiance Advanced Beauty. Okay, so kung nanood kayo na Miss Universe Philippines, isa yung Kemans sa mga major sponsors. And I've been very vocal na gustong-gusto ko talaga yung sunscreen nila. Ito kaya magustuhan ko. Okay, so itong advanced beauty set nila, it consists of 5 products. Merong beauty bar, toner, serum, cream, at sunscreen. Sa beauty bar, wala akong negative na masabi. Hindi siya drying, tapos visible naman yung brightening effect niya. Tapos sobrang lambot pa niya sa skin. Basta promise, maganda. Next naman is yung exfoliating toner nila. Okay din siya, non-drying, walang stinging, walang mahapde. May very slight lang na parang fermented na scent, pero okay lang. This one, it's very moisturizing, parang nakaka-soft siya ng skin. By the way, hindi ito Rejuve ha, kaya walang peeling. Very mild lang to, pwede for long time use. Next naman is yung pinaka-favorite ko sa set na to, yung facial serum nila. Grabe, ang ganda. It's lightweight, hindi oily, and talagang instant glow. Zay! Glass skin effect talaga siya, ganun. By the way, paraben-free, hypoallergenic, FDA approved at dermatologically tested pala. Guys, look at that glow. Basta ang ganda, meron pa akong pa-zoom in dito. May slight lagkat pero nawawala kapag na totally set na siya. Sino ka dyan? Fourth step, yung overnight glow cream naman nila. Isa pa to, napaka-moisturizing, glowing, plump talaga yung skin nyo after. Lightweight din siya guys at hindi malagkit. Tapos sa daytime nandyan yung kanilang sunscreen. Overall guys, napakaganda, very worth it sa kanyang presyo. Okay, alam niyo na kung nasaan yung link ha?